So what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. So as you already know that I finally got the Poco X3 as you can see. So we're gonna unlock the bootloader and install a custom recovery on this. If you also got the time like 168 hours or like that, you need to wait for that time. I also got the 168 hours time, but right now the time is now over, so I am gonna unlock my device bootloader and install TWRP recovery. You need some files. These are the files which link in the description. TWRP recovery link and also the other tools like this is the minimal ADB and fastboot tool. All these files link in the description. Make sure to check out that one. How you can unlock the bootloader? First of all, the thing is that Mi Flash tool, sorry for that, Mi Unlock tool. The link for this tool is also in the description. You need this and this time and check out that. And now I finally have the time done. I have the full time which 168 hours. I have completed that, so that's why I'm just unlocking my device bootloader. Let me just sign in with my device, and after signing in, let me just show you that how it will work and how you can unlock. Well, by the way, it's quite easy. Most of you guys already know that how you can unlock the bootloader, how you can install a custom recovery, but still for a newbie, if you don't know, then that's why I was just able to show you. Okay, here it is. We have just almost on the way to sign in with my device, my account. Maybe you have that account linked with your device also. These were some basic steps like developer options, enable and add your account to Mi device like that. Those were some basic things, so I hope that you already know about all these things. So just boot your device into fast boot mode. How you can boot into fast boot mode? Press and hold the volume down plus power button to boot into fast boot mode. It will take some time and then you will be booted into the fast boot mode. As you can see, connect your device to your tool. As you can see, my phone is connected. If you have minimal ADB and fastboot tools installed, you have the drivers properly installed. It will take some time to unlock. As you can see, unlock anyway, so just wait for 5 seconds once again and then just click on unlock anyway once again, and here it is, the timer started. In my case, as I previously told you, the full time I have just passed that. That's not bypassed, that's passed. And okay, here it is. As you can see, unlocked successfully. Here it is, you can see Poco logo, and yes, we are just rebooted. My device is finally unlocked, and now I'm going to install a custom recovery here. First of all, it will just format your data, so make sure you have a proper backup in case something goes wrong, because data will definitely format and you will not have any kind of backup. Then you will just... So here what you can do is you just need to boot into fastboot mode once again. And how you can do that? Very easy. Just press and hold the volume down plus power button for a while, and then you'll be booted into fastboot mode once again. Now how you can install this TWRP recovery on your device? Make sure you have a TWRP recovery image downloaded on your PC like this. TWRP_X3 link is in the description. How you can use that? So just install, just use this tool, just launch this tool, and here write the command fastboot devices. First of all, make sure to check out that if your device is properly connected into fastboot mode or not. This is the command to check out fastboot devices, and just click on enter. And here it is, you have that file option available, that thing, and which means your device is now connected into fastboot mode. To flash recovery, you need to write fastboot flash recovery, then the name of the recovery, which is TWRP_X3.img. Let me just write all these things, _X3.img. Click on enter, and here it is. The recovery is gonna installing very easily, and as you can see, it's done. Now how you can boot into custom recovery? As you can see, the success message is appeared, so which means we can boot into custom recovery. How we can boot into custom recovery? Very easily. Now press and hold the volume up plus power button for a while, and you will be booted into TWRP custom recovery. Just wait a second, it will be booted. We finally got the logo. It will take some bit of seconds, and then you will be booted into TWRP custom recovery. We are at logo now, and almost, yes, it is. Here it is. We have a TWRP 3.5.0, the latest custom recovery installed on our unlocked Poco X3. This is the Poco X3 unlocked bootloader, installed a TWRP custom recovery. These were the things I just wanted to let you know. I hope you liked this. As always, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching and goodbye.